Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in the UAE. First, let's get your account set up. Head over to the official PayPal website or grab the mobile app. You'll want to click Sign Up and decide if you need a personal or business account. Then just fill in your email, create a strong password, and add your personal information. Don't forget to verify your email by clicking the link they send you. It's a quick and easy process to get started. Once your account is active, the next step is linking your payment methods. Log in and find the wallet section. Here, you can link a debit or credit card by entering its 16-digit number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. If you prefer, you can link a bank account by providing your bank name, account number, and routing number. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, usually less than 1 dirham, to verify your bank account. Just confirm these amounts in your PayPal wallet. Now for the core functionality: sending and receiving money. To send funds, click Send and Request, then enter the recipient's email or mobile number. You'll specify the amount and currency, then pick your payment method. Receiving money is even simpler. Just give the sender your PayPal registered email address. The funds will land directly in your PayPal balance, ready for you to withdraw to your linked bank account or use for online shopping. It's incredibly convenient for transactions. Security is paramount with PayPal. They use advanced encryption and robust fraud protection to keep your money safe. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable 2-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. It's also important to be aware of transaction fees. For receiving international payments, these typically range from 2.9% to 4.9%, plus a fixed fee. Withdrawing funds to a UAE bank account usually incurs a small fee, often around 25 dirhams per transaction. Stay informed to manage your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.